What's the meaning of crudité? Crudité. Crudité.
Crudité. Crudité. Crudité is a French term that refers to a platter of raw vegetables that are typically served as an appetizer or snack. The word crudité is derived from the French word crudite, which means rawness. These platters typically feature a variety of vegetables, such as carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers, radishes, and cherry tomatoes, and are often accompanied by a dip such as hummus or ranch dressing. Crudité platters are a healthy and refreshing option for those looking for a light snack or appetizer.